Welcome back, guys. I'm Steve, and today we are in the tech room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be featuring the best Anker Powerbanks. Nothing kills a good day out like your phone hitting low battery at the worst time. So I hunted down the best Anker Powerbanks to find out which ones are worth carrying, not just in theory, but in real life too. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time, so again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So let's get started. The sixth Anker Powerbank on our list is the Anker PowerCore Slim 10K, priced at $25.99, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. This thing is pretty solid for the price. You're getting 10,000 milliampere hours packed into something that's ridiculously thin and light, weighing just half a pound. It'll charge your phone about 3 times, which is clutch for travel or long days out. Now, it uses Anker's Power IQ and voltage boost tech to push up to 2.4 ampere, so charging is decent, but not blazing fast, since it doesn't support quick charge. You've got your standard USB-A output here, nothing fancy like USB-C, so keep that in mind if you're rocking newer devices. Build quality feels premium with high-quality chips inside and their multi-protect safety system, which is always reassuring. The design is super pocketable and won't weigh down your bag. Battery type is lithium-ion, typical for power banks in this range. The main limitation, that 2.4 ampere max means slower charging for tablets or larger devices, and no USB-C might be a deal breaker for some. Our team recommends this for everyday phone charging. The fifth Anker Powerbank on our list is the Anker Zolo 10K, priced at $25.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This 10,000 milliampere hour power bank is a game changer with its built-in USB-C cable. We're talking 30 watts of fast charging here, which gets an iPhone 15 from 0 to 57% in just 30 minutes. The built-in 5.4-inch USB-C cable is tested for over 10,000 bends, so durability is legit, plus it has this clever lanyard design that makes it super travel-friendly. You've got bi-directional charging at 30 watts output and 20 watts input, meaning it recharges itself in about 2.5 hours with a proper charger. It comes with both a built-in cable and a USB-C port, giving you flexibility, though using both simultaneously drops you to 15 watts total. The capacity gives you about 2 full charges for iPhone 16 and 15 series, nearly 2 Galaxy S24 charges, and it works with MacBooks, iPads, Nintendo Switch, and even Steam Deck. Cool bonus feature is the low current mode for charging earbuds. Just double tap the power button. One thing you should know, the actual usable capacity is around 6,500 to 7,000 milliampere hours due to conversion loss. Our team recommends this for those who want modern fast charging with built-in convenience that handles everything from phones to laptops. The fourth Anker Power Bank on our list is the Anker A1383 Power Bank, priced at $25.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. Now, the Anker 20,000 milliampere hour power bank with 87 watts max output is a serious laptop charging territory. You get a built-in USB-C cable plus 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, so you can charge up to 3 devices simultaneously. That 87 watts is enough to fast charge a MacBook Pro, and it'll handle iPhone 15 series, Samsung Galaxy devices, iPads, Nintendo Switch, and pretty much any USB device you throw at it. The lithium metal battery provides about 11,000 to 14,000 milliampere hours of usable capacity after conversion loss, which translates to roughly 4 full phone charges or about 1.5 MacBook charges. It weighs 15.5 ounces, so it's got some heft, but that's expected for this capacity. Recharge time is around 4.5 hours with a 30-watt charger. Build quality is solid with multiple ports for versatility. The limitation here is the weight and size. It's definitely bulkier than the previous 2. Our team recommends this for those who charge laptops on the go or want maximum capacity for multiple devices. The third Anker Powerbank on our list is the Anker 737 Powerbank, priced at $109.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This chunky little beast packs a 24,000 mAh battery, and honestly, it's a powerhouse for anyone who juggles multiple devices. It pushes out up to 140 watts, which means it can fast charge a MacBook, phone, and earbuds at the same time without breaking a sweat. You've got 3 ports here, 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A, all intelligently managed, so the power distribution adjusts automatically. It's fully compatible with the iPhone 15 series, Samsung Galaxy devices, even laptops like the Dell XPS or MacBook Air. The design feels premium, sleek, matte finish, solid weight, and that smart digital display is super handy for tracking battery percentage and power output in real time. Inside, it's running on high-quality lithium polymer cells, so you're getting efficiency and safety baked in. I love that it supports power delivery 3.1, and it recharges itself pretty fast too. However, it's not pocket-friendly. Definitely more of a bag carry kind of power bank. Our team recommends this for those who are after top-tier charging speed, serious capacity, and a reliable build. This second Anker Powerbank on our list is the Anker Prime Powerbank, priced at $139.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This thing means business. It's got a 20,000 mAh capacity, which is plenty for a couple of full phone charges or even topping up a laptop when you're on the go. What really sets it apart is the 200-watt output. That's enough to fast charge a MacBook and a phone at the same time without any slowdown. It's got 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A, so it handles basically anything. iPhones, Samsungs, Dells, even Nintendo Switches. The digital display is super handy too, showing real-time power in and out, so you actually know how fast everything's charging. Design-wise, it feels premium, sleek, compact, and that metallic finish gives off a pro vibe without being flashy. Inside, it's using high-end lithium polymer cells, which means you get efficient, safe charging that doesn't overheat easily. My only gripe would be it's a bit heavy for pocket carry, and the price tag's up there, but honestly, the performance backs it up. Our team recommends this for those who carries a laptop and a couple of gadgets everywhere. The best Anker Powerbank on our list is the Anker Power Station, priced at $149.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This thing feels more like a mini generator than just a power bank. With a massive 60,000 mAh capacity, which equates to watt-hours, it's ready to handle laptops, cameras, lights, basically everything you'd throw at your travel or emergency kit. The output peaks at around 87 watts, so while it won't power a full-sized fridge or power tool, it's more than capable for phones, tablets, a laptop or two, and lighting. It comes with multiple ports, like USB-C and USB-A, and a smart digital display that shows input and output so you know what's happening in real time. The design is rugged and outdoor friendly, plus it includes an auto lighting, retractable LED, and SOS mode. Nice extras when you're camping or during a blackout. Inside, it uses high-quality cells, including lithium iron phosphate in some models for long-term durability and safe usage. On the flip side, because of its huge capacity, it can take several hours to fully recharge. Our team recommends this for those who need serious offline power for multiple devices, especially outdoors or for backup. And there you have it, folks, the best Anker Powerbanks. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Steve signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.